Okay, what'd you say?
Can we get a boba from Jack in the Box?
Oh, what?
A boba.
Should we get a boba, y'all? Should we?
She calls it a bubba tea.
A bubba is what I call it.
Not a bubba, it's a boba.
It's a boba?
Yeah.
What's the difference? They're all bubbles. Okay.
Stop.
So I can bag you. I got my seat on. I got shoes on. She never did. She did.
The one. Gordon?
Thank you. Thank you.
Your hair is pretty.
Thank you. For the bobas. That's a card.
I just don't like it. No. I just can't.
What?
I can't. The people riding the motorcycles.
On your motorcycles?
Yeah. It's just like one time I saw this man, well, I don't know if it was a teenager or an old man, that was riding a motorcycle. Is that a Volkswagen? No, that's not.
No, that's a Ford.
He's riding a motorcycle. It's like everybody just riding motorcycles now. A motorcycle, and it was like all in black. With a black thing on him, with a black helmet. I'm not hating.
I thought you wanted one.
I did, but now I don't.
No, you don't. So what kind of car do you want?
One of the most expensive.
One of the most expensive ones? What's that?
I think it's a Cybertruck.
A Cybertruck?
I think so.
You want a whole Cybertruck? What in the world? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh, yes, and thank
Oh,
This is yours.
okay. This is me and Ivy's. Let me pull over here really quickly while I get us together.
Now this side is the one you put in there.
Okay. Can I have a taste of yours? I know it's got ice cream in it, but I just can't have that much of it. I just want to taste it. Oh, snap. Let me go ahead and hurry up and get off and over here. Here, hold mine real fast. Hold on, Ivy. I got ours. Hold on one moment. Let me get us off and over.
This lady.
Yeah, they don't be looking out their side. And she was probably trying to go just so that way. Now, she got the time to go. She could have been went.
Okay, good.
See, that's what I be saying right there. She could have been went. She jumped in front of me. Then she could have went. And then she slowed us all down. Now we got to sit here.
See, it's more fun with you. Sometimes it's fun with that.
How y'all get me? Because I be getting the things that y'all want. Hold on. I want to enjoy the one little sip that I can have. I want to enjoy it. Can I?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
Hold on. We're going to get ours.